Why does my face look like milk, but my neck and my body looks like Milo? If that is you, come closer. Today's video is for you. Is your face glowing? Your face is bright? Your face is fresh? But once you wear sleeveless like this, or you wear short gown, boom! The difference is so loud. The difference is clear. Is that you? Don't worry, you are not cursed, you are not dirty, and you are not alone in this particular situation. Today, I'm breaking down why your face is fairer than your body and exactly how to fix it the right way without damaging your skin. So if you want your face and your body to start rhyming, watch this video from beginning to the ending, because I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know, the whys and the hows, everything in today's video. Remember to like this video, also share this video, okay, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let's go. So the number one reason why your face is fairer than your body. Do you want to hear the truth? Now, the truth is you take better care of your face than your body. Be honest to yourself. Okay, for your face, you get cleanser in the morning, you use your cleanser in the morning, use your cleanser at night, use your toner, use your serums, use your moisturizer, use your sunscreen, you exfoliate, like you're very religious with your face routine. But your body, you have one soap, you have one cream, sometimes you don't even have lotion, you are managing. Do you understand? Your face gets all the pampering while your body is being neglected, and of course they won't look the same. If you pamper one child and punish one child, they are not going to look the same. One is going to be flourishing and one is going to look poor, needy, neglected. That's just the scenario here. Now, reason number two why your face is fairer than your body is that your face gets less friction than your body. Now, your body is always under stress. You wear tight clothes like this one I'm wearing now. You see, it's sort of half turtleneck. Do you understand? So these types of clothes is one of the things that can make your body to be dark because of friction. This friction from the clothes to my neck, to my, wearing jeans that are tight on your body, your bra straps, sitting like I'm sitting down now for long hours. All this friction triggers melanin production, which is going to lead to darker areas, especially the neck. I didn't plan to hear this stuff for this video, but yeah, it's now rhyming with what I'm saying. So especially the neck, your elbows, your knees, your inner thighs, and your face doesn't experience this level of friction, just like my face is. I'm not wearing any mask on my face, I'm not wearing any cloth on my face, there's nothing holding or tightening my face. After making this video right now, this hair that is like this, I'm going to just pack it up. My face is just going to be. So this is another reason that can cause your face to be fairer than your body. Friction, clothes, bra, tight, jeans, all of those things hugging to our body can cause friction, which is going to lead to increased melanin production, which is going to make your body to be darker. Does it make sense? If it does, or if it did, click the like button and share this video right now and continue watching. So reason number three, you use strong actives on your face and not on your body. Now, most people use vitamin C, niacinamide, alpha-butene, retinol, but they use these things only on their face. You have vitamin C serum, you have niacinamide serum, some people even have retinol serum, some people even have tranexamic acid serum, or they have a serum that have combination of all these ingredients I just mentioned, and it is just their face. Your body is still using basic moisturizer with no brightening or repairing ingredients. You understand? Maybe you are just using a vitamin C body lotion, and then you're on your face, you're using vitamin C, you're using niacinamide, you're using tranexamic acid, you're using hyaluronic acid, you're using retinol. So how do you expect it to rhyme? You are giving this one 5 brightening actives, you are giving this one 1 brightening active. They cannot give you the same result. One is going to look fairer, fresher than the other. So this is the simple reason why your face keeps improving while your body stays the same or even gets worse. Now, reason number 4 why your face is fairer than your body is the sun. Now, sun damage is secretly damaging your body. You apply sunscreen on your face, good, but your arms, your neck, your chest, your legs, all the exposed areas of your body, how far? How about those ones? How religious are you with your body sunscreen? So sun exposure thickens and darkens body skin over time, even if you don't notice it immediately. This sun damage or sun skin darkening we are talking about is not something that happens overnight. It's not if you go out yesterday under the sun, you now come out today, your skin is now dark or you are not having sun damage. No, these are things that have been happening over the years, months, and all of those things. You've been going out unprotected, but you are protecting your face. Do you understand? So that's what one of the things that causes that imbalance in your skin complexion. Now, reason number 5 why your face is fairer than your body is that dead skin is sitting on your body. Now, your body sheds dead skin slower than your face. Now, without regular exfoliation, dead cells build up, making your skin to look dull, to look ashy, and to look darker. So that is why your body can look darker even when it's actually healthy underneath. Do you understand? You are using a very good body lotion, you're using a very good body wash. Underneath your skin is this healthy, fresh, radiant looking skin, but in the surface you are not seeing it, and that is because you are not exfoliating enough. Now, exfoliation differs for different people. Okay, because I can exfoliate 2 times a week and it is okay for me. You are going to exfoliate 2 times a week, your skin is not going to work for your skin. Your skin might demand more exfoliation depending on your skin's history, depending on your lifestyle, depending even on what you eat. Do you understand? So find the pattern that works for you when it comes to exfoliation. Try once a week and see, 2 times a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week even. Try switching up your exfoliant. If you notice that your skin demands more exfoliation, you can go for milder types of body scrubs so you can use them more frequently, if that makes sense to you. Do you understand? So this can also be the reason why your body is not catching up with your face. You are using the similar ingredients you are using on your face, you're using it on your body, okay, but because you are not exfoliating enough, that fresh glowing skin you are looking for is just underneath your skin, it's hiding. So you need to double up on your exfoliation to actually shed off those dead skin cells and then expose that glowing, sparkling, radiant skin that you want to see. So now, how do we fix this problem the safe and effective way? This is where the real talk starts. I'm not telling you any bleaching thing. I'm not telling you anything that is going to give you skin damage. I am not giving you any shortcut, because one thing I want you, my audience watching me, to understand is that skincare does not have beginning and ending. Skincare is a lifestyle. So stop treating skincare as, oh, I want results. No, 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 no. What will I use? No, skincare is a process. It's a lifestyle. It's something you are going to do forever. Just like you cannot eat and fill your tummy food that will do you for 1 week. You have to eat every day. In fact, you have to eat morning, afternoon, and night, or at least 2 times a day. People that eat once a day, I don't know how you guys do it when they try, but you need to you need to constantly keep eating to actually have energy to do things like me. Okay, so that is how skincare is continuous. It's something you need to keep doing to keep maintaining and achieving that glowing, radiant, youthful skin that you desire. Now, number 1 is start giving your body face level care. Your body deserves skincare too. Okay, upgrade your skincare routine. Use gentle body wash, not harsh soap. Moisturize daily, morning and night if possible. If you do your face routine morning and night, make sure you are doing your body routine morning and night. If you are do you understand? So give the same energy you are giving to your face, give it to your body. It deserves it and even more. Now, exfoliation. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Don't exfoliate every day. Now, use chemical exfoliants like lactic acid or glycolic acid. Now, you can use this in lotions. You have lactic acid body lotion, that's amlactin. You have glycolic acid, that's alpha renewal body lotion. A lot of people say, someone dropped a comment, I think yesterday, and said, oh, that alpha renewal body lotion is overhyped. Alpha renewal body lotion is not overhyped. You are using it for the wrong reasons. That cream is just an exfoliating body lotion. It's just like you're using a body scrub, but in a lotion form. Exfoliating body lotions are made just for convenience, not that they have superpower or super magic or something like that. So these products work together to remove dead skin, helping you to brighten your skin, okay, and also helping your brightening products to work. The problem is that a lot of people are selling you amlactin and alpha renewal as brightening body lotions. They are not brightening body lotions. To they just help you to make your brightening lotions to work. Okay, they do two things. They help your brightening body lotions to work better. One. Two, let's say you are someone in the situation whereby you are giving the same energy you are giving to your face, you are giving it to your body, but you have not been exfoliating enough. So when you start using lotions like that, do you understand, they are going to help you to shed off those dead skin cells, covering your skin, the radiant skin and glowing skin underneath them. So when you now start using them and now see that your skin is getting brighter, you'll be like, oh, I started using lactin and my skin started getting brighter. I started using alpha renewal and my skin started getting brighter. It is not lactin, it is not alpha renewal body lotion that made your skin brighter. All it did is to shed off the dead skin cells, covering your healthy skin over underneath and bringing it to life. Does that make sense to you? So stop being misled on some things. Okay. Now, number 3, use brightening ingredients on your body too. Look for body lotions or serums with niacinamide, with vitamin C, alpha arbutin, with urea, with lactic acid. The same energy that you give to your face. Just go to your face routine. Look at all the brightening or lightening ingredients they have and make sure that your body routine have them. Okay, this is going to help to even out your skin tone, reduce skin darkness, and improve your skin texture. Now, your body needs actives too, just in the right concentration. Okay, so if you know all those actives, all those ingredients in your face routine, make sure that it is contained in the right proportion in your body routine. Now, if you're having issues with building your own skincare routine, you can have a one-on-one skincare consultation with me, where I am going to walk you through the process of creating the perfect body and face routine for you, and also answer all your skincare issues and confusions you are having. Just send me a WhatsApp message. This service is not free, but it comes very cheap and affordable. Okay. Now, how to blend your face complexion and your body complexion. Number 4, use sunscreens on your body. Sunscreen is not only for your face. If you buy your face sunscreen, buy your body sunscreen. Apply sunscreen on your neck, on your chest, on your arms, all exposed areas. If I was to go out with this cloth I'm wearing, I am going to apply sunscreen on all the exposed parts of my body. This alone is going to drastically reduce your darkening over time. Trust me, it is going to reduce it. Now, number 5, reduce friction and lifestyle triggers. What do I mean? Wear breathable clothing. Avoid very tight outfits daily. Okay? Moisturize areas that are prone to friction. Drink water and eat antioxidant rich foods. Healthy skin starts from the inside. So these things, these habits, this lifestyle is going to help you. Remember, we talked about friction, on what causes your skin to darken and now become darker than your face. Friction. So if you are someone that likes to wear body hug a lot, you are someone that likes to wear tight jean trousers, don't wear them every day. Okay, wear baggy jeans or boyfriend jeans. What do they call it? Wear boyfriend jeans, wear polos, things that will give your skin space to breathe. Do you understand? So it is going to reduce the friction that your skin is having, which leads to skin darkening. Now, here is an important warning. If your face is fairer than your body because you are using harsh lightening products, or you are using products that have steroids, or you are using hydroquinone, or you are misusing hydroquinone, your face is not healthy fair. That fair you are seeing, it is not healthy fair. It's just temporarily light because your face is still going to darken. Okay, so the goal here is to have even glowing skin, not bleaching your skin. Now, in conclusion, matching your face and your body is not just about turning white. It's not just about you becoming fairer. It's about you. It's about your skin health. It's about consistency, and it's about proper care. If you stay consistent, you will start seeing changes in your skin from 4 to 8 weeks, not overnight, but safely. Put all these things I have said into practice. Check your lifestyle, your clothing, and everything in between, and your skin is going to rhyme. Your skin, your face, your neck, your body, everything is going to have a blended skin complexion. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, remember to like, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our beautiful conversations. Compliments of the season.